What's one of the number one mistakes that you can make in your cognitive impairment ERISA long-term disability claim? Now, when you file a claim for ERISA disability insurance benefits on the basis of cognitive impairment, disability carriers are going to be looking very closely at your claim because they really are suspicious of any claim that's based on any type of memory impairment or the ability to maintain concentration or the ability to follow instructions. When you see a doctor between each visit, you should be giving them what's called an interval history of what your symptoms are and how those symptoms impact your ability to function. But you can give the doctor too much detail. What do I mean by that? I recently got a phone call from the physician of one of my clients who said, your client is coming into my office with a very detailed history of all her cognitive problems. In fact, it's so detailed that I'm not sure she really is impaired. I'm beginning to be suspicious. Now, if that doctor had put that information in the note to the insurance company, we would be having a really big problem. What I think you need to do is to give a good history, an interval history of the cognitive impairment that you're having, but you shouldn't be writing it. You should have a family member, a relative, or even a friend writing a very sort of succinct narrative of the problem that you're having. It might be that you repeat yourself, that you have problems maintaining pace and concentration, or any other type of cognitive issue. And in that information that the friend or family member is giving, it should kind of hit the highlights, if you will, of those problems and say something like, based on my observations, this is what I observe, and we just want to give you this information, as opposed to this information coming from the client. So while this interval history is really important, it's how it's delivered and by whom it's delivered that's important. So don't make a crucial mistake that can destroy your ERISA long-term disability claim for cognitive impairment. If you have any questions, give me a call today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you with your cognitive impairment ERISA disability claim, regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who that disability carrier might be.